Here are the 5 absolute must-haves when searching for a TPM provider. First, communication. You should almost feel like your TPM provider is over-communicating with you. Make sure they're easily accessible. Can you reach them through various channels like phone, email, chat, and others? Do they respond swiftly? You shouldn't have to put up with waiting hours or even days to hear back. We're talking a response time of 1 hour or less here. Financial transparency is key. Does your provider offer a detailed breakdown of pricing without any hidden charges? Some of those hidden charges could be penalties for cancellation, a reduction in coverage over time, or even obligatory portal fees. Any TPM provider worth its weight will not reduce coverage without setting those expectations in writing from the outset of the contract, and they definitely won't charge you portal fees. On the billing side of things, look for flexible payment options and shorter contract terms without any additional fees. Value you receive. Your TPM provider should offer competitive pricing compared to OEM support with significant savings, and those savings should translate into more budget for OpEx. Do they offer any extra services that truly benefit your business? Think on-demand engineers, IT asset disposal, relocation assistance, and hardware sourcing options. Do they go the extra mile to meet your needs and partner with you in strategic ways? Certifications and accreditations matter when it comes to maintenance providers. Look for providers who are ISO 9001 certified and who comply with trade compliance regulations. Make sure they have badged and certified engineers where you operate. Ask how they measure quality and reliability. At OneCall, we live by these 5 must-haves every single day. We're setting the standard in world-class maintenance services, and we have the data to prove it. If you'd like to explore what a strategic partnership with the OneCall team might look like, hit us up at hello@pivitglobal.com.